Welcome to AI Snippets. Please feel free to jump to a timestamp to listen to the snippet of your choice. Also like, share and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss important AI news. WhatsApp, under Meta's ownership, is testing an AI-generated stickers feature. Testers in the Android beta program have spotted this new capability, enabling users to create stickers from text descriptions. The AI model behind this feature, which uses a secure technology from Meta, is reminiscent of models like Midjourney or OpenAI's DALL-E, generating personalized images for stickers. However, concerns arise about potential misuse of generated images, given WhatsApp's history with viral misinformation. Although these AI-generated stickers are said to be recognizable, specific safeguards and labeling mechanisms to address misuse remain unclear. Utilizing artificial intelligence, smart trousers named NeuroSkin have aided a UK stroke survivor in regaining independent walking. These trousers employ AI-controlled electrodes that generate modulated pulses, replicating the movement of her healthy leg and facilitating rehabilitation of brain connections. This innovation, priced at $5,500 monthly for leasing, signals a remarkable advancement in AI-driven medical progress, potentially benefiting millions with disabilities by enhancing prosthetics and recovery technologies to restore lost capabilities.
Yeah, so try and get on either side of the line. There you go. Okay.
Absolutely buzzing. I've never felt since my stroke as elated as I feel this moment. The walk, by the time I did a second line, I felt almost as if I was being propelled into the air. My left leg, which is up to now scuffed along the floor, causing me to be pretty dangerous walking because I wobble, has suddenly propelled up from the floor and has made me feel safe walking. And that's the part that I've honestly not felt at all. I really feel this is the breakthrough for stroke victims that has been much and long awaited for. I'm over the moon.
Saudi Arabia and the UAE are engaged in a competitive race to procure Nvidia chips for advancing artificial intelligence software. The two nations seek to harness thousands of GPUs for large language models, driving a surge in demand for high-performance Nvidia chips, contributing to shortages. This strategic push reflects their ambitions to become AI leaders, raising concerns about potential misuse. Saudi Arabia secured around 3,000 Nvidia H100 chips, while the UAE acquired numerous chips for its Falconer language model. While critics worry about ethical implications, industry leaders like OpenAI's CEO acknowledge the region's significant role in shaping AI future. China's upcoming regulations on artificial intelligence management, known as the Generative AI measures, are set to be enforceable from August 15th. These guidelines, created collaboratively by 6 government bodies including the Cyberspace Administration of China and the Ministry of Science and Technology, will be the country's first AI rules amid its rapid AI development. The regulations encompass 24 measures, such as requiring AI service providers to register, undergo security reviews, and respect intellectual property rights. The guidelines strike a balance between state control and fostering innovation. In contrast, the US and EU are at different stages of contemplating AI regulation. Google introduces advanced AI capabilities for its Search Generative Experience, designed to facilitate learning and simplify comprehension of intricate data. SGE while browsing extends summarization and answers beyond search results to website content. Aims to expedite research on complex subjects, augmenting Google's AI-driven summaries. Hover definitions enable term previews within AI-generated responses, color-coded snippets enhance code legibility. Serving as a gateway to vast information, Google's potential for widespread acceptance is substantial. To explore these updates, users can access Google Search Labs. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon to be instantly notified of regular updates. Thanks for watching.